Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This video is recorded for MANU 1202 Welding. This video is presented by Muhammad Faiez Irfan bin Abu ZAHRIN and my partner Muhammad IZHAM WAZIR bin ZAKI. Let's proceed. These welding images are taken from a study desk in IZHAM Mahalah. For the size, it was measured at around 1 to 4 cm in length. The length is measured using a standard sized ruler. The welding type is arc welding, which used for joining the metals. Its joint type is corner joint, as shown in the pictures.
The possible cause of defect for this arc welding is the porosity and spatter. For the possible cause of the porosity it is because of inadequate electrode deoxidant using a longer arc and the presence of moisture. And for the possible cause of the spatter is the running amperage is too high, the voltage setting is too low, and the working angle of the electrode is too steep. So that's all from us. Thank you.